Hey everybody, in this video tutorial I'm going to show you how to use the research tab in YouTube Analytics to find new keywords, video ideas for your next videos. Before the tutorial, make sure to check out our resources in the description below. Free YouTube ebooks, customizable YouTube checklists, exclusive software deals, free trial offers for YouTubers, and many more resources that help you grow your YouTube channel, build a business on it, and make more money from it. Now, back to the tutorial. Alright, so if you want to use this research tab on YouTube Analytics, all you have to do is open up YouTube Studio, sign in into your YouTube channel account, then on the left click on Analytics, then here's the research tab, so click on this, and now as you can see, here's where you can explore what viewers are searching for on YouTube. So basically this is a very basic keyword research tool integrated into YouTube Analytics. And as YouTube explains here, you can use this tool to find the top searches from viewers on your channel and across YouTube in the last 28 days. So the added benefit of this keyword research tool compared to other tools on the market, that you can get more data into what your viewers searching for. Unlike other YouTube keyword research tools are more focused on the general keyword research trends in the whole market. So to find new keyword ideas, let's say I'm interested in doing videos about Facebook marketing. So let's add that as a head term. If we click enter, now as you can see, YouTube will spit out a lot of keywords. And as you can see, for example, Facebook ads for affiliate marketing, YouTube tells us that the search volume on YouTube is low. And if we click on the three dots here, we can check it on Google Trends. We can also remove it or save, and we can also use TubeBuddy if you have TubeBuddy, which is a more advanced keyword research tool. So if you want to get more deep into keyword research, you should use TubeBuddy, by the way, and I have a link in the description below which you can use to get a 30-day free trial of TubeBuddy for free. So as you can see, you can also use TubeBuddy to further analyze these keywords. As you can see, you can also filter them by all searches or content gaps only. So this will only show keywords you haven't made a video on yet. You can also change the geography, and you can also change the language to other languages to find search terms, for instance in Spanish. Alright, as you can see, you can also, and as I mentioned, the added benefit of this keyword research tool, that you can check out your viewer searches. So if we check out our viewer searches, we can see which search terms or subscribers and previous viewers are using currently on Facebook. So this is also a great way to get some new video ideas and keywords you can target in your next videos. And just like with the previous example we see, if we click on the three dots here, we can either check it out on Google Trends, so if it's a trending keywords or not, we can save it, we can remove it from the list, or we can also get into more detailed analysis with TubeBuddy. Alright, if something is still not clear to you, check out our more detailed instructional blog post on 𝐅𝐫𝐞𝐞. Links to that in the description below. Also, don't forget to check out our free ebooks, checklists, software deals and templates that help you grow on YouTube and teach you how to make a full-time online business from your YouTube channel.